Welcome to the initial startup video tutorial. We'll go over the first steps you'll want to take once you've created your account. Once you've entered your information to the Create Your Account screen, you will immediately receive an email containing a password and further instructions. We'll assign a dedicated phone number to your Workglue account that will then be used for all text message communications coming from the program. You should enter that number into your phone's address book and contacts and call it Workglue or something like that. When a text message comes in from the Workglue system, you'll see the name instead of that random number. You'll want to notify your employees that this is your account phone number and that they should save it as well. People will be able to respond to text messages and the incoming messages will appear on the dashboard. Look in Workglue under Employees menu and pick List Edit. Make sure your cell phone number is listed there. If not, click on your name to update your information. Then under the Employees menu, pick Text Email. Put a check mark next to your name, enter a short message, and send it. It should arrive on your phone within a few minutes. Install the mobile app on your phone. On either an iPhone or Android phone, go into the appropriate app store and search for Workglue. After you get the app installed, it will ask for your cell phone number. After entering and sending your number, the system will respond with a text message containing a validation code. Enter that code and the app should be ready to use. This setup is a one-time thing. What you see on your phone depends on the role and title you've assigned to yourself on your employee information page. Go back to the website and look at the employees list page again. On the top right, you should see a little padlock. Next to that, click on Mobile App Permissions, and on that page you can adjust the options for the app on your phone. After making a change to those permission settings, grab your phone and go to the main screen of the Workglue app. The main screen is the one you get by tapping on the Workglue button on the bottom left. Swipe down on that page and let go. That will force the app to refresh its settings immediately so you can see any changes you made on the Access Permissions page. Create a new job for testing, go to the Leads and Bids menu, pick Add New, and make up a test job and account for this purpose that you can delete later. Click Continue to the Job Details page. Change the status to One Needs Scheduling. Schedule yourself to work. Under the Jobs menu, pick By Worker, then click the little green plus next to your name in today's column. Once you have yourself scheduled to work today, go back to your phone and swipe down on the main page. You should see that you are now scheduled to work today. Tap on the job name to see information about the job and clock in. After you clock in on your phone, go back to the website dashboard. On the right, below the map, you should see that you're now clocked in, and the time will be green. After you clock out, you'll see that on the dashboard in red. Continue reviewing your settings until you're satisfied with how your employees see the information. You'll want to review the custom data and adding new leads and bids request tutorials to get started. Feel free to reach out to us through the support icon or send us an email at support@workglue.com. We'll be ready to answer any questions you may have.